So if you had the 540 degree one, this one's bigger than 360, right? So we're going to have to figure out how many rotations extra it's going to be. So if we have 540, well, we know that one whole one is 360, right? Well, how can you figure out how much more we need to go?
Subtract them.
Subtract them, good. So 540 minus 360 is going to give us 180. So I need to go another 180 degrees to end right here, to end at my final answer. So this is where 540 is, right? That blue circle. How else could you guys get to this special little point over here? Good, negative 180. Nice, I like that one. So you went down 180. Perfect. So negative 180 is the answer. Cass, what were you thinking?
I subtracted 540 minus 720.
Minus what?
720.
720. Right. What did you get when you did that?
180.
Oh, good. You did a positive 180. Very nice. Good job. So if you went positive 180 in this direction, good. You also ended that same point. Very nice. Good. So you have two answers that work here. I mean, could we have more than this? Yeah, you could keep going around in circles as many times as you want, keep adding stuff on, or subtracting it in the other direction. But these would be the ones that they would give you guys an option, right? You could go in the positive direction, 180 to get to that where 540 would end, or the negative direction would also work. Okay? If you're confused, like how do I know this is 180? All right, well, use your little quadrants. This is your 0, 360, and here's your 90. This is your 180, here's your 270. If you need to draw this in every single time, that's okay. Right? So you kind of get an idea where your angles are. All right, I want to do one more with you guys, and have you guys kind of try something. Right, so negative 85. Right. So negative, what direction are we going to go? Down, nice. All right, and let me put it in a little 60, 90, 270. Right, so we have negative 85. We're going to go down, but where do we have to stop? Nice, Ashlyn. Good job. Right before the 270s. Very nice. Okay, because each of these angles, each of these quadrants contain 90 degrees, so we can't go past it. All right, so we know we need to end right here. How can we figure out maybe what the positive one that's going to end here is going to be? Well, check. He's right? Okay, good. Watch him. All right. Donovan, how did you get that so quickly? What did you do to get 275? Good. So you chose like 360. Well, what plus 85 will give you 360? Yeah. Or minus 85? Yeah. And that's going to give you 275. Very nice. Good, guys. Yeah, so 275 is going to end at that same spot. If we want to get real fancy with this, let's see. What else could we end with? What about if you guys did this? If we did one whole rotation, that'd be 360, right? How much would you have to go another round to get at the same spot? Good, Alex, 275 again. So if you did one full rotation, which would be 360, and then another 275, see, that's going to give you 13, and then 635. Would that end there? Yeah. You could keep going with as many rotations as you want, right? You just have to make sure they end at the same spot. So you have lots of possible answers here. You get a 635, you get a 275. I'm sure we can make even more if we went in the negative direction. Yeah, Ashley?
Did they ever ask us like what the 8th one?
No. Not even close. Ashley asked, were they going to ask you something with like 8 rotations? Absolutely not. If this was on your Regents exam, they're probably looking for 275. Okay, they're going to be like the smaller ones, not anything crazy where it's like 3 rotations. But it's good for you guys to understand like how you would get there, how to draw it. You take the number and then add 360. Yeah, you can say 360. And add 360, and you add 85, wait, you'd be up here though.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. You could do 360 minus 85 and go that way. That's one thing with the drawing that kind of helps, especially when you do like the positives, negatives, it gets a little hairy, but okay, all right, why don't you guys try 4, 5, and 6. You want to come on up? Feels great. Use the smart thing if you want. And there's more than one answer. So if you guys want to try to work with your partner, maybe you're really good at getting the negatives, your partner's good at getting the positive ones. Try it out, see what you guys think. We're going to put up number 5. Anybody else have any issues? Actually, my first grade class. Which one would you be able to get other values?
From 5, right?
Yeah, that's what I got. Very nice. So Ashton's got 75 drawn. And if you want to go the other direction, very nice. You gotta work up there. Alright, so just going the other way.
Should I do it in a different color?
That's okay. Good. So is that positive or negative 285? Fantastic. Good. Did most of you guys get negative 285 for your single one? Yay! Good job. Perfect. Nice job. Just so we for the negative 4, when you guys went down 4, what did you get in the positive direction? Good. Positive. What did you say it was? 356. Now this one was a little tricky. It was a 980. Okay.
Please excuse the interruption for one announcement. A reminder, the junior senior high school outdoor track and field preseason meeting today at 2:30 in the high school cafeteria. If you are not able to attend the meeting, please see Coach Ford beforehand. Thank you.
So if you have a 980, right, you could get one rotation 360, another one is 720, but how much more do you need to go to get 980? So if we took 980 minus 720, how much more would that give us? Hopefully 260. So we know that we need to go 260 more degrees, right, to get to 980. Now, one way you guys can think about this, right, is the extra amount that you had to go was really just 260. So 260 is also something that's going to end there. If you know that this is 360 and you wanted to go back to 260, what could you use? This is what I saw most of you guys get. Negative how much? 100. Yeah. Right. So you could do a positive 260 or a negative 100 would be the two angles that end there as well. So it kind of matters what they're asking you guys for.